Hello everyone, very welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you a fascinating project which enables you to generate music from text, and not only that, but on commodity GPU VRAM plus in a very easy way. We will be doing step-by-step tutorial as how to get it installed locally, and then with just a simple text prompt you would be able to create an awesome quality music. Before I do that, let me give a huge shout out to Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs, so do check them out. Now coming back to this amazing project which is called as QA-MDT or OpenMusic, the thing is that in all these months which we have seen in the last year, we have seen a lot of models which have claimed to be doing text to music or TTM, but they have all struggled when it comes to quality, and also they are quite cumbersome to install and then run. Diffusion-based text-to-music models have gained prominence though, because they have been offering an innovative approach to synthesize musical content from the textual description. Achieving high accuracy and diversity in this generation process requires extensive, high-quality data, including both high-fidelity audio waveforms and detailed descriptions, which often constitute only a small portion of available datasets. This new paradigm or model for high quality music generation incorporates a quality aware training strategy, enabling generative models to discern the quality of input music waveforms during training. It also leverages the unique properties of musical signals. They have first adapted and implemented a masked diffusion transformer or MDT model for the TTM task, demonstrating its distinct capacity for quality control and enhanced musical prowess. So we are going to test it out on our local system. So without any further ado, let me take you to my terminal where I am running Ubuntu 22.04, and this is my GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM courtesy Mast Compute. Let me clear it. First up, let's create a virtual environment. I'm just creating it with Python 3.11. Let's wait for it to get created. Shouldn't take too long. And then it is going to activate it like you have seen. Second step we need to do is to make sure that Git LFS is installed, because we are going to download the models and large files from Git. So for that, large LFS or large file system is required. That is also done. Next up, let me clear the screen. And next up, we need to git clone the repo of OpenMusic. That is done almost. It just takes a bit of a time to resolve the deltas, so let's wait for it. So deltas are resolved. Now it is filtering the content, and as I said, it takes a bit of a time, so we just have to be patient, and that is why we installed that git lfs. Make sure you install it, otherwise this won't get downloaded properly. Let's wait for it to get installed. And that is all done, and you can ignore these warnings. These are not valid for Linux. If you are using Windows, then you might just have to double check if these files have been loaded and downloaded correctly. Okay, next up, so if you quickly do ls-ltr, you will see that we have this directory called as OpenMusic. So one of the things which we need to do is to rename it to QA-MDT. That is the requirement of this project, because it uses some of the libraries with the name QA-MDT. So that is done. Next step is to install all the prerequisites, which include all of these like torch, audio, vision, lot of stuff. And you can grab this from their GitHub repo. Let's wait for this to get installed. This, if you're doing it fresh installation, it might just take 2 to 3 minutes. So just have to be a bit patient here. Let's wait for it. And all the prerequisites are done. That completes our installation. Let me clear the screen. Now next up, all you need to do is to do the inference. For that, just do touch new dot py, just create a Python file with any name, and then just open it in the your favorite editor. I'm just going to open that file in this VS Code, as you can see here. Now all you need to do is to put in these three lines here, where we are importing this QA_MDT, which we have just cloned, and then we are piping it through diffusion pipeline, and this is our prompt which we are giving to pipe, where I'm asking it to do a modern synthesizer creating futuristic soundscapes. So, and save it, go back here, and then all you need to do is to run this Python file by doing new.py. So let me run it. And first time when you run it, you will get some warnings, and then it is going to download some of the models. So just bear with it. It is going to take a couple of minutes to finish downloading some stuff. So it is giving you the decoding layer and all that stuff. It is going to download some of the models. I'm just letting it run so that you would also see what is happening. So you see that now it is downloading this sampler. So let's wait for it. And there you go, it has finished sampling and it has created this file, which is called as awesome.wave on our local system in the same directory. So let me go here, and then I'm just, because I'm working in the virtual machine, so I'm just going to move this awesome.wave file to my local system, and then I will play it there, and then you can also listen to it. So let me play it. And before I play that audio file, just to remind you, this was our prompt: a modern synthesizer creating futuristic soundscapes, right? Okay, let me take you to the audio now and we will play it. This is my audio, let's play it. How good is that? Isn't it amazing? Okay, let's try out another example. For this one, let me give another soundtrack. So I will just say advertising soundtrack. Let's try out this one. I have saved the file. Let's go back here. Let's clear the screen and run this python new.py again. And then it is going to generate another music track for us. So let's wait for it to start generating. It is again going to go through the same motions. It is almost done there, and there you go, it has created another file for us. So let's go there. I'm just going to move it to my local system and play it. And now listen to the advertising track. How good is that? Really hats off to Chang Lee, who is one of the creators behind this amazing stuff, and he helped me a lot right from Beijing, China to fix a lot of things in this project. So really thank you to Chang Lee for all the help and this amazing project. Let's try out one more. Okay, the next one, let's try out some hip hop music maybe. I'll just change it to hip hop. Let me put the hip hop here. And I'm just going to run it again. This time I'm not going to show you the whole process. I will just generate it and play it. So let's check out the hip hop music this time. Let me play it. How good is that? Amazing stuff. Okay, next up, I have tried this subcontinental Indian Pakistani music, where I'm asking it to do soulful Bansuri flute in a serene rag Yaman for a peaceful sunset. And remember that this also depends upon the training of the model, but just for the fun of it, if I play it out and show you, let me go to my browser quickly. I already generated it. Let me play it. It's not bad because I don't think the model is trained or fine-tuned on this data, but still it was able to produce something. Anyway, just in the sense of the whole diversity, let's go back and finally let's also generate something, maybe try to generate from South America. So for that, I'm just going to ask you to do this samba rhythms with Argentinian tango instrumentation. So I'm just blending this Brazilian with the Argentinian one. So let me run it and then we will play it. Let's wait for it. Okay, let's check that one out, the South American. Cool. And finally, let's try out one Chinese music one. So I'm asking it ethereal aero melody in a serene traditional Chinese garden soundscape, evoking the peacefulness of a misty mountain dawn. It is generating at the moment, so let's wait for it to finish and then we will play it out. And now listen to this Chinese music. Not bad. So all in all, you see that how easy it is becoming to create and generate music just from text on your commodity hardware easily with few lines of code, all for free. So I will drop the link to this repo in the video description. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.